How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can map your GameSir G7 Pro buttons. Now, it's extremely simple to do this. Let's get started. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to press two buttons simultaneously. The first button is going to be this M button just above the GameSir logo. And from there, you then want to press the button that you want to map. So in our case, it's going to be this specific button right here. It's the extra shoulder button for our controller. Right after pressing those two buttons simultaneously, basically what will happen is that the icon for the Xbox logo will then blink rapidly or will blink in a pattern. This basically means that we are ready to map it into any other controller buttons out there. So maybe if you want to map it into something like the X button, the Y button, the arrow buttons right here, you're completely good to go. Just press on a specific button. It doesn't matter what, but just press on any button. And from there, you have successfully mapped this specific button onto the button that you have pressed. Now, how can you unmap this button? Once again, it's going to be extremely simple. The first thing that you want to do is to just do the same thing, which is to press the M key or the M button, and then you want to press the button that you want to remove the mapping of. And from there, you then want to press it and then press it once more. And from there, this will unmap our button. And so, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe. And so, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.